Hi folks, we hope you're enjoying the My Active Attitude exercise videos. We've got a special video for you today. We're going to have a look at building a bit of simple DIY exercise equipment. So we talked about last time the fact that 1 litre of water weighs 1 kilogram. So we're going to use these 2 litre bottles to create a weighted backpack. So you might have seen at the exercise stores you can get weighted vests that you can use when you're out walking. So we're just going to build a simple weighted backpack by putting 4 kilograms of water into a backpack, and we're going to ask Hector to do a few demonstrations for us. So now he's got his extra 4 kilos on board and doing some step-ups on the back stairs. So the extra weight just adds extra resistance to your exercise. So when you're doing the step-ups, you're actually using more energy and putting a greater load on your muscles. So now he's going to do a stair climb. You can see that he's using the handrail to make sure that he maintains his balance going up and especially coming back down the stairs. So you might like to wear the backpack if you're going out for a walk in the evening, just to add that extra resistance to your exercise. Now he's moving on to some squats, and again that extra 4 kilos is really adding to the effectiveness of the exercise that he's doing. So any exercises that you do can be enhanced by wearing the backpack. Now we've got the 2 kilo milk bottles out of the backpack and doing some simple upper body exercises using those instead of dumbbells, which you may not have around the house. So the other piece of exercise equipment that we've featured in one of Rochelle's videos were the ankle weights. So many people may not have ankle weights at home and may not have the opportunity at the moment to get out and purchase some ankle weights. So we're going to make a simple ankle weight using a tie that Hector has donated to the cause. Now you can also use a long sock, or you can use pantyhose for this, but we're going to use a tie. So what we're going to use for the weight is some rice, and 3 cups of rice is approximately half a kilogram. So you'll see that we've tied off one end of the tie with a bit of a tail on it so that we can attach it later on. And here I am quite messily measuring out my first cup of rice. And at the large end of the tie there's an opening, and I'm going to fill up the body of the tie with the 3 cups of rice to create a half kilogram ankle weight. So as you can see, it's a reasonably simple, if somewhat messy procedure, getting the rice into the tie. And just giving it a bit of a hand to go down into the body of the tie. And it looks like we've got room for the 3rd cup. Yes, we do. We've got room. So to do your ankle exercises, you might want to have a look around the house and see if you've got 2 old ties that you could use. And in a moment we're going to get Hector to attach the ankle weight and show us a couple of exercises that you can do using the ankle weight. So it's just a matter of wrapping the ankle weight around and remembering that we left a bit of a tail, so we tied a knot in the skinny end leaving a bit of a tail so that you could attach it to your ankle. So with that firmly attached, we'll do some leg lifts, seated leg raises, good for your quadriceps muscles. And then going behind the chair to do some leg raises, good for your hamstring muscles. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, making a bit of DIY exercise equipment using things that you'd find around the home. Thanks for joining My Active Attitude today.